Do you often find yourself stuck in an endless loop of overthinking? Those moments when your mind refuses to rest, racing from one thought to another, can feel overwhelming. But what if this seemingly endless cycle could be transformed into a source of strength, clarity, and even inner peace? Overthinking is not your enemy. Instead of treating it as a burden, imagine it as a doorway, a powerful tool that, when approached with awareness, can lead to profound self-discovery and personal growth. In this video, we'll dive deep into how ancient Buddhist teachings offer timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of the mind. Through these teachings, you'll learn to cultivate mindfulness to center yourself in the present moment, embrace the concept of impermanence to release attachments and let go of stress, and practice non-judgment to create a kinder and more compassionate relationship with your thoughts. In Buddhism, the mind is often likened to a restless monkey, jumping incessantly from branch to branch, thought to thought. This monkey mind can leave us feeling chaotic and unfocused. But here's the beauty. Understanding the mind's restless nature is the first step to reclaiming your power over it. As Buddha once said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. The key lies not in silencing your thoughts, but in learning to observe them with patience and clarity, rather than battling the endless stream of mental chatter. Approach it as an opportunity to understand yourself better. Meditation is an excellent practice for this, as it allows you to step back and observe your inner dialogue without becoming entangled in it. One of the most accessible tools to start this journey is mindfulness, the simple yet transformative act of anchoring your attention to the present moment. When you feel overwhelmed by thoughts, pause and try this simple breathing exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath gently for another 4 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat this process a few times. Each breath draws you back into the present, calming the mind and redirecting your energy toward clarity and focus. Another profound teaching in Buddhism is the principle of impermanence. This idea reminds us that everything in life, including our thoughts and emotions, is temporary. When you accept this truth, it becomes easier to let go of the grip that overthinking has on your mind. Every thought, no matter how persistent, will eventually fade if you allow it to pass without resistance. A practical way to engage with your thoughts is to write them down. Journaling helps externalize mental clutter, giving you the clarity to reflect on your inner world. When thoughts are on paper, they lose their overwhelming power, becoming manageable and, at times, insightful. Equally important is practicing non-judgment, a core teaching of Buddhism. Too often, we criticize ourselves for overthinking, creating a cycle of guilt and frustration. Instead, approach your thoughts with compassion. Ask yourself, what is my mind trying to communicate? By treating your overthinking with kindness, you'll uncover valuable insights about your emotions, desires, and unresolved concerns. Over time, these practices turn overthinking into a tool for emotional and spiritual growth. What once felt like a burden can become a pathway to understanding yourself better, leading to greater focus, balance, and inner peace. Remember, overthinking doesn't have to weigh you down. With the wisdom of Buddhist principles, you can transform this habit into a powerful mindset, unlocking your potential to thrive in every aspect of life. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and explore these transformative ideas. If you found this content meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into mindfulness, personal growth, and spiritual wisdom. Let us walk this path of transformation together.